If you're getting this error message which says not signed into Sea of Thieves, please sign in and try again with an error code which is Carmebeard. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now the good news is that Sea of Thieves support team has provided instructions on how to fix the Carmebeard error. They say here PlayStation 5 Carmebeard troubleshooting. Now try these steps very carefully. They say troubleshooting will depend on if your PlayStation Network account has already been connected to your Xbox account. You can check connected accounts by visiting your Sea of Thieves account page and scrolling to the bottom. Now the Sea of Thieves account page is available through this page here. Now don't worry, all the information will be available on the description of this YouTube video, or you can go to seaofthieves.com/account and make sure to log in into your Sea of Thieves account. Now once you are logged in, if a PlayStation Network ID is not visible, please try the following. Sign in into your Microsoft account via this login page using the same browser used when attempting to input your linking code. Or you can go to this page here, which is account.microsoft.com, and make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. So sign in to your Microsoft account via this login page using the same browser used when attempting to input your linking code. Step 2. Please retry inputting your linking code via this request page once you have signed in. So retry inputting your linking code via this request page, which is microsoft.com/link, once you have signed in. If you're still facing issues, please try these steps on a different device. Now they say, if possible, please also try the above steps using a different internet connection, such as using your mobile data instead of your home Wi-Fi. Now they say, be mindful that you are using the correct Microsoft account during the linking process, as if you accidentally link the wrong Microsoft account, we are unable to unlink this account. Now they say, if you found a PlayStation Network ID has been linked when you visit this Sea of Thieves account page, now they say try this. We advise you to recheck your Xbox sign-in settings. They say start by accessing your Microsoft account page and selecting security from the menu on the left. Next, click manage how I sign in button. So you can go here to this page, which is account.microsoft.com, and ensure that you are logged into a Microsoft account. Now you select here security on the left page. Now on the security section, you have to select here manage how I sign in. Now also select here on the manage how I sign in. Now follow the instructions very carefully. Temporarily disable two-factor authentication. So scroll down, you should see on the additional security, make sure two-step verification is turned off. Now also turn off two-factor authentication. Now ensure passwordless account is off as well, and create a password if you have not already done so. To ensure this is working correctly, sign out, then sign in back into your Microsoft account via this login page. So they say ensure passwordless account is off as well on the additional security here. And then they say create a password if you have not already done so. To ensure this is working correctly, sign out, then sign in back to your Microsoft account. So after disabling the passwordless account, make sure to create a password if you haven't done so. Then after creating a password, you should see an option here where you already have your password. Like they say, enter a password. Make sure you have a password here. Now to test if it's working correctly, you can log out and then log back in. Use your password to check if the issue is resolved. Now they say, once configured, return to your console and attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, please reach out to our player support team by creating a ticket. Now don't worry, this page will be available on the description of this YouTube video. Basically, you can select here raise a support request, and the support team will be able to help you with your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.